Welcome again to the analysis of this channel. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you have not subscribed to. Hustlers in Belgut are so tired of waiting for the jobs as their favorite president, William Ruto, when it comes to the lies he gave them, they have decided to convert the local UDA office into a sawmill. As I was just looking at this picture, an UDA office being converted to be a sawmill, and it is clearly written Belgut constituency office, UDA, you must be worried. I know some people will say, watu walihama, ati walienda wakafungua ofisi mahali pengine, sasa waliacha hiyo. The truth is, this is the Belgut constituency office, UDA, that we know. And when you look at even several pictures that were posted recently, this UDA office was so active. But again, at the same time, you looked at even the scenarios that happened earlier around during the campaign period. Wakina nani waliona kila barabara walikuwa na weka kachuma refu hivi na tu wheelbarrow tudogo hapo juu. If you travel, you could travel from Nairobi heading to Naivasha, of course Nakuru. Then you are heading to Baringo. Then you go through Uasin Gishu. You could see chuma refu refu zimewekwa na umeweka wheelbarrow juu. You people, are you seeing those wheelbarrows? One day, I was just traveling from Nairobi to Nakuru. The certain UDA logos that you could spot earlier, or rather let me say initially, during campaign period, you could see offices all over written UDA, Hustler, or hotels. Even William Ruto came out visiting a certain hotel written UDA, Hustler. As we speak, there are also hotels that were being written initially UDA or Hustler. Colors zimetolewa na hata wamepaka tu plain. You know? Some even yenye nilikuwa nimejua hii ni ofisi ya UDA, or rather ni hoteli ilikuwa imeandikwa UDA. Walienda wakavuta hata hizo nini? Hizo colors, wamepaka colors zingine. So when you see UDA office being converted, and this is the main town where William Ruto's supporters are. Hapa ndio William Samoei Ruto anatoka. And when it comes to such cases and issues like this where UDA office being converted to a sawmill, I know some people might say that we are so petty with certain many issues that are not concerning us. But again, it is concerning us because the narrative that was sold to the people is now not the narrative that people are adopting. Or rather, they are losing hope. They don't have any criteria of tolerating this government again. Because mutakuwa na ofisi chungu mzima na hakuna kitu mnapata kwa hii serikali ya Hustler, UDA. And more to come, utapata hata ofisi zingine zimegeuzwa itakuwa maduka. I'm telling you, because people will not come out and maybe render their houses or their financial support to UDA, and they are not getting something good because they were told, hii serikali ni mama mboga. We never knew that Musalia Mudavadi ndio mama mboga. You know, tuliambiwa boda boda people, we never knew that wakina Alfred Mutua, ndio watu wa bodaboda, you know. And there's the problem that we have passed through long period of time, where you find a politician is coming out to promise you, you do this, you do this, you elect me, then I support you. Nothing like that. If you are going to expect a politician to come and take your kids to school, then forget about that. So I think hustlers in Belgut are so tired that even for waiting these fake promises, now they've come out to say we can start business with these offices. And with these offices, wacha tuanze sawmill. Why not? If we can have something, why not? That is the question that Kenyans are coming out to reiterate. Again, when you look at different issues that are hitting these individuals, William Ruto and his calibers, they must understand that people are so well aware. They are aware about these fake promises they are continuing to say day in, day out. And again, Kenyans have become something else, something extraordinary that you cannot even illustrate. You know, you cannot illustrate, as the anger is so little. I think it is just pathetic and depressing. William Ruto's narrative was like the government always assists people even to put food on the table. You know kweli. Sasa kila kitu ni serikali, kila kitu ni serikali. William Ruto's promises planted a kind of strong expectation from Kenyans to these promises. And if this tukisema hata kama punda imechoka, are we going to experience it to other UDA offices? Are we going to experience in other offices? And of course, hustlers are leaving no stone unturned, and are going to do whatever they can do. Nyinyi mnasema tunaongeleleanga maneno ya Mount Kenya peke yake. Ati Mount Kenya is changing. Ati Mount Kenya is changing. Mount Kenya is changing. It's not only Mount Kenya, but this narrative was sold to everyone, including Rift Valley, where William Ruto is coming from. So we'll be there no matter what to see whatever these people are going to tell people in the next general election. Because you're being told they have already started campaigning. And you're being told again, William Ruto is automatically going to be elected as the president, second term president, in 2027. And as the Kenya Kwanza government is in a deep slumber, we don't have a country anymore. And the country we are having is a country where during the campaign, William Ruto even wakakuja kupotea picture kuweka hata mama mzee kwa wheelbarrow kuonekana kwamba wanatake care of hao maasala. Siku hizi ma wheelbarrow yenye walikuwa wanabeba nayo hiyo mama wazee during campaign ndio saizi nabeba hapa na hizi magari za county council. Ikibeba umelipia sijui unauza wrong side. And again, at the same time you're waiting whatever is going to happen, the message is home. The message is home. And people are tired and they don't care. They don't care no matter what. Someone came out saying that now it is not Hustler Nation, it is now Hustler Ministries. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. That is the kind of the kind of reactions that Kenyans are coming out to say. So I was just laughing, and of course I was shocked, and it's something that you will expect them to happen. Ladies and gentlemen, what are your thoughts? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much.